What do you say there? No hillbilly again. I want to try some spare ribs today. Not going to cut it down St. Louis. I took and removed the chine bone or the breastbone, whatever you want to call it. And just cut the flap off and the little tip end off. Kind of squared it up. I know it's kind of a weird shape, but I want to save as much meat as I can. I got some extra fancy rib rub, and I had some sweet and smoky rub. I ran out of it. I got a good light coat on, but I'm going to try it in the old offset, see if I can get them to come out pretty good. And got my chimney lit. I've been having trouble regulating the temperature on this thing, so this is just kind of practice for me. It's been doing good, but longer cook, keeping it regulated has been a little bit rough. We're going to get it. It's going to be all right. Anyway, I'll be back here in a little bit once we get them on. All right. It's been 1 hour. Let's see what we got. Actually about 225. That thermometer ain't right. We're looking a little dry. A little bit moist on the bottom. I think we ought to spritz them a little. Just a little water. Keep them nice and moist. I got water in the water pan down there too. These offset smokers, they got so much air moving through them. You gotta watch it. They'll get dry on you pretty quick. Alright. We're gonna let it go another hour and see where we're at. Need another little chunk of wood. We'll be back in a minute. Alright. We got some baked beans. We're going to make them kicked up a notch. You put about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're in about 1/8 of a cup of maple syrup. We're going to chop this onion up, put it in here, and we're going to put some barbecue sauce in it. We'll do all that outside in a minute. Alright, we got the onions cut up. Now I'm going to put a little of this. This is what I'm going to do the ribs in. Roasted mango chipotle sauce. We're going to put a little of that in. I'm going to put a little of that in the beans. Just a little bit. And then we're going to put this onion in there. And I think I'm just going to set it inside the smoker. Hang on just a second. Alright. That'll do. We got our onion and our mango chipotle in here. Stir brown sugar around. If you've never tried this, taking just regular baked beans, putting brown sugar in it, whatever you want, molasses, garlic, real garlic cloves, boy, that's so good. And you know what? Who doesn't love pork and beans? We'll let that render down there a little bit too. Alright. It's been about 20-30 minutes since I spritzed it last. It's drying out on me again. So we're going to give her a good soak. And we'll be back in a minute. Oh yeah. Alright, the lid won't close. Let's set them up here. Always something. I don't know if it'll close there or not. Oh, perfect. We got it. We got it. Alright. Alright. I'm trying to prop it up because I shake so bad. Hang on a second. I think these old ribs are ready to wrap. Oh yeah. It's been a little bit bendy. It's been 2 hours exactly. We're going to take some of our mango chipotle sauce and just kind of drizzle all over the top. Pretty good coating. Take our old hickory and just kind of paint it on. We'll let these dudes steam a little bit. Look at there. See all them chunks of mango in there, man? That stuff is good. I'm talking good, man. Stir our beans. And we'll be back in an hour. Alright, it's been an hour in the road. See what we got here. Oh, that feels good and flexy. Oh yeah. Come here a minute. You gotta see this. Pick it up. There's where we're at. Look at that pull back. Juice. Oh my goodness. Alright. We're gonna try to. Ow! Alright, I got the ribs out. Sorry about that. And let me show you something. There's our old baked beans. Look how thick and delicious they look. And what I kind of like to do, I know this ain't healthy, this ain't the Food Network, like I say. Pour a little bit of this rib drippings in here to thin it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You tell me that ain't gonna be good. Alright, we'll be back in about not even an hour, I don't think. I don't know. They're looking pretty close to. I ain't letting go of the bone yet, though. It may be an hour. It may be about an hour. We'll come back. Can't pick my pot up. Alright, we'll be back. Alright. It has wound up being 2 more hours. My fire smothered out. I had to take the ashes out. You know, da-da-da-da. Look at these beauties. If they look good, I hope they're done. The beans, they are beautifully done. Look at that. Oh, red, rich, beautiful things. All right. Like I say, I'm trying to figure out this. Look here. Whoop. I'm trying to figure out this grill. These bigger bones are not. Oh, yeah, they are. Look at there. Well, you can't argue with that, can you? Alright. Let's just. They felt a little tight, but I'm ready to eat. One little old bone. Good Lord. Let's see what we got here. That's the way I like them. That mango chipotle is good. Alright. Got the beans. I ain't gonna try to taste that. Y'all know it's gonna be good. There we go. Oh yeah. Bye-bye.